Welcome back to my channel Glossary of English. So welcome to new video, that is English learning. So today is a new topic, that is why are you not able to speak in English? Yes, this is your new question to your face it. Okay, what is the problem? That why are you not speaking English? First, that you are not trying. Yes, this is a main cause of your English learning. You are not trying, you are not take a step. This is the reason. First up, you have to take a step to talk to yourself. Okay, this is the first reason. And what is the second reason? Lack of fear. Yes, second reason is your lack of fear, because you are so, it is natural, I know it. When you have to start it anything else, you have also, this is a emotions that a fear, and it is natural, it is normal, but you have to not practicing it. Your fear is always been inside, always within you. When you have to take a step, then your fear is up, you down, your fear is a down. Yes, okay, get my point. And you are not trying, you are always in your mind and inside, you are always thinking about of your fear, that other person what saying is, I really say it, that other person is no, it is no one else, that you have to say it, that you are wrong, you are right. Okay, and nobody is helping it. Yes, okay. And the third is your too much overthinking. Oh my god, too much overthinking, that one day I started, and that is one day when come it, when, how it is come. Once day you have to start your do it now. When you take a step and do it now, and do not overthinking too much in your brain, you just trained your brain that say it, that I have to practicing in English. Okay, do not overthinking. This is the reason that you are not speaking English. Okay, and another thing is lack of practicing. There are no choice to you to speak in English, that you have to do lot of practice English. Yes, practice English, even you have to take a textbook and read out loud. Why are you not understand what I am saying, that you have to practice it 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes. It is important and very important. Why are you not understanding it? So do not think too much and do it now. Yes, take a step for yourself. Okay, clear? And the other thing is insufficient feedback. Yes, nobody else to take a sufficient feedback, that you are what you have to learn it, what you have to learning something, and nobody else to talk and nobody else to tell about that you are not good in this way. Okay, I understand that, like, insufficient, it means you have to do not people tell to you you are wrong. This line you have to talk about, and this line it's wrong. This is the insufficient feedback, but you have to get a feedback a right person who is actually you have to help to you. Do not go those people those are not helping to you, those are not correct to you. Goes to that person is the right person you have, that's your teacher, your truth, your true friends, that we are able to speak in English, that we help to speak in English. Okay, so do not go insufficient feedback peoples. Go through right person, choose right person, choose your right teacher, your school teacher, your college teacher, and whatever who are your teacher, that is makes you have to write what you have to do it. Okay, and the next is your making mistakes. Listen to me carefully. Making mistakes is natural. Okay, often people, every person you have go to any new learnings, something that is learning, and when are you not mistake that you how to learn it. Mistake, it's your part of your learning way in any field, in any new thing, in anything you have take it, your swimming, cycling, cooking, and whatever your new learned something, and you have to do mistakes. It is natural because you are not perfect, and do not people perfect. When he is perfect, when he is go through the step by step, follow the rules. Mistake, learn it. Again mistake, again learn it. And the third time, it always be do not make more mistakes. Okay? Do not fear about your making mistakes. It's all natural. It's okay to be okay. It's enough. Okay, because one day you have to making mistake, and that one day will come to new, you have to do not any mistake, and you feel, and this is feeling that you do not express it, that what is feeling when you are not mistakes in English. Okay, this is natural, this is okay, you have to go through, do it, it's okay. Okay, and the last is motivation. Yes, because many person learn it and one day has to come to not motivated to that, बस हो गया, that is like अब मतलब अब मुझसे नहीं होगा, so do not give up this, and just okay, do not give up and just be motivated always. And I really help to you in your English language learning journey, and I every day make a video for you for your English speaking well, and that is how I make a video, separate video to you every day. Okay, so don't mind it, don't give up, just be motivated. Okay, so thank you so much. It's all about those things, and you like it, subscribe my channel, and if you are any query, and you have to say in a comment box, okay? And do not forget notification bell, because when I upload a post any video, you get my video and watch it, and we are together learn this language. We are together growing in your life. Thank you so much, and take care yourself, and bye.